Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. So how do you like my new look? What do you think? April Fools! All right, on a serious note, welcome. I have a few announcements and just reminders and things like that. I have a giveaway on my channel in celebration of Krystal at Krystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady channel. She is celebrating her 1K. So that's ending very soon, actually. Very, very soon. So I will link her giveaway video below. And there's over 20 channels that are involved. It's a collaboration, so you can enter in all the channels and be a semi-finalist, and then those names get sent to Krystal, and she draws a grand prize winner. But the semi-finalists also win a prize from each of the channels that they win on. So I'll put Krystal's video below. I'll put mine. I'll put the playlist of everyone who's involved. And yeah, it's ending like in a couple of days, I think. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. And then I want to talk to you about Rose from Rose Likes Crochet. And oh, hi, Krystal. Sorry. Hi, Rose. You may or may not know, she collects or accepts donations for Wings, which is a domestic violence organization that she supports, and we all support by donating crochet items or knit items, and we send them to Rose, and then she takes them to Wings. And so each month she accepts certain items. So for September will be sets of hats, like hat and scarf set or hat and cowl set. So I do have a few tutorials that I'll link below. Actually, I'll link my playlist. I think there's 40 some tutorials in there right now. I'm getting quite the collection. But there's a few on how to make hats, and like this is one of my designs here, and there's a scarf that goes with it. So that'll be in the playlist. I've also got these fingerless gloves, and this either can be worn as a cowl or as an ear band. This way, or this way. I don't want to put it on because I kind of just fixed my hair. But, you know, things like that. They're looking for sets for September. I will link the video that shows the wish list, Wings wish list, below it in the description box. So yeah, so you can make those and send them to Rose. Like I said, these are for September, so don't send them before September because Rose doesn't really have, you know, room to store things, right? So if you're like me in Canada, I will probably send them maybe the last week of August, and then they'll get to her by September, right? So yeah, I'll be donating some of these locally as well as to Wings through Rose. So then what else do we have? We have there's just a lot going on. Oh, that's my cat. If you can hear her. Anyway, so I had put in my community tab a question that you can vote on if you'd like to do a mystery crochet along. So I'm planning that because a lot of people have voted, and there's a high percentage that say yes, I would love to. So all right, so what I'm going to do, well, you guys can go over there and vote, or you can vote right here. Just say yes or no. It's okay, because I know some of you don't have time, and I don't have time to do this. But I'm squeezing it in. The heck with cleaning the house. Actually, I did do some cleaning the other day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a video on Monday, telling you what yarns you need, like the weight and things like that, and if you need anything extra. So yes, it's a mystery. You can also use scrap yarn if you want. Yeah, so, and then the first video of the crochet along will be put up on Friday, so a week today, and then it's gonna, I think it's gonna be maybe in 4 parts. So there'll be one video every Friday for the next 4 Fridays, 3 or 4. I'm not sure yet because I'm still recording it. So yeah. Oh, what am I wearing? Would you like to know what I'm wearing? Well, this is one of my designs as well. It is a tank top. And so yeah, I made this, I don't know, maybe last year, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's the same as the back and the front's the same. And I'm wearing a tank top under it because it's extremely see-through. So, you know what some people like doing, and I think it's mainly the younger ones, they will wear a sports bra or a workout, one of those short workout tops underneath these. And yeah, and you know, I'd be really great on a hot day. You know, I used to kind of do things like that when I was younger. So yeah, I will link, like I said, the whole playlist of my tutorials below, and it won't take you much time just to look through them. There's other summer tops I have, and I'm so excited because it is spring here in Winnipeg, but we still have a lot of snow because we had a record amount of snowfall this winter, over 5 feet. And there's still like big piles of snow, but I can feel the heat from the sun, and I'm excited for all that snow to be gone. And it's just, it's I don't know if it's a Canadian thing, but we love our summers, except when the humidex is way up there. Yeah, that's just too much. But I'm sure you guys who live in colder climates or have snow and then you get summer like we do, I'm sure you love spring. Okay, I'm just babbling now. But anyway, I'm excited because I can feel the heat from the sun and I don't have to wear boots anymore. All right, so summer tops. Summer tops. That's what I'm thinking about. All right, that's enough of that. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thank you. Bye.